Are you drowning in debt and looking for a way out? Today, I will show you a simple 10-step strategy that worked for me to finally say goodbye to debt for good. In the depths of a financial abyss, I found myself drowning in a sea of huge debt. The weight of loans, unpaid bills, and ever-mounting interest rates threatened to suffocate me. Desperation gnawed at my soul as I realized the dire consequences that loomed over me. Determined to break free from this oppressive burden, I embarked on a treacherous journey to say goodbye to debt. I knew that the first step towards financial freedom was to understand my personal financial situation. I meticulously gathered all my bills, statements, and loan agreements. The numbers stared back at me, a daunting reminder of my financial predicament. With a heavy heart, I calculated my total debt, which amounted to a staggering £50,000. With a clear understanding of my financial goals and obligations, I set out on the first step to create a simple budget. I meticulously tracked each of my daily and monthly income and expenses, identifying areas where I could cut back on costs or make some savings. I sacrificed unnecessary spending on luxuries. I also negotiated lower interest rates and found various ways to cut costs and increase my earnings. After a period of time, I realized that every penny I saved brought me closer to my goal. Knowing that I couldn't tackle all my debts at once, I decided to prioritize them. I focused on paying off high-interest debts first, as these were accumulating quite rapidly. I also considered the consequences of late payments or defaulting on certain debts, such as losing my home or car. I adopted the debt snowball method. This is a strategy that involves paying off the smallest debt first. By focusing on one debt at a time, I gained momentum and saw tangible progress over time. Each debt paid off gave me a sense of accomplishment and fueled my determination to succeed. After making significant progress on my smaller debts, I explored the option of debt consolidation. I researched various lenders and found a loan with a lower interest rate than my current debts. By consolidating my debt, I simplified my payments and reduced my overall interest charges. And at some point when my journey towards getting out of spiraling debt became increasingly challenging, I realized that I needed professional help. I reached out to a local non-profit credit counseling agency. I was assigned a certified counselor who provided me with personalized guidance and helped me create a realistic repayment plan. They also helped to negotiate with some of the creditors on my behalf. Maintaining motivation throughout the debt repayment process was really crucial for me at this time. I set financial goals, celebrated milestones, and found support from friends and family. I also took time off and reminded myself of the reasons I wanted to be debt-free. I reminded myself about financial freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to invest in my future. After years of hard work and unwavering determination, I finally paid off the last coins of my debt. I was so excited. A wave of relief and euphoria washed over me. I had overcome the debt monster that had ruined my life for a long time. I finally regained control of my financial destiny. Reflecting on my journey, I realized that saying goodbye to debt was not merely about crunching numbers or budgeting. It was a transformative experience that taught me valuable lessons about financial responsibility, self-discipline, and the importance of seeking support whenever I needed it. I shared my story how I said goodbye to debt with others, and hoping to inspire them to break free from the chains of debt and achieve their own financial dreams. With the burden of debt lifted from my shoulders, I sat back and embarked on a new financial journey. I invested wisely, saved for emergencies, and lived a life free from financial stress. I had not only said goodbye to debt but had also transformed my relationship with money. From a source of anxiety and shame, it had eventually become a tool for empowerment and financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment or share this video and subscribe to this channel about personal finance and investing.